Hello, my name's Leigh Levine, and I feel very fortunate to have taken Aurelia's Gokhale Method Foundations class, and I really can't recommend it more highly. It has really changed my life and the way that I move through the world, just from very simple sitting, standing and sleeping to everything I do. Cooking, cleaning, housework, gardening, sitting at my desk, sitting at my computer. Aurelia has given me the tools to be able to do this just much more effectively and with less wear and tear on my body. I come from a dance background, and training was a big part of our regime. Using dance, using music, using anthropology and sociology is all mixed together in the Gokhale Method, as well as a really hard education on anatomy, which I so enjoyed, and is made a huge difference not only to me but the people around me. They're noticing that I sit taller wherever I am and just look better, look more toned. And in addition to the lovely Foundations course, once you're through it, you get access to this wonderful alumni association and online university, which, you know, a year and a half in, I'm still delving into all the multiple topics they have there. It is terrific. And if you get a chance to do a class with Esther as well, I thoroughly recommend that. So come along, do it. You won't regret it.